Hi guys, today I will be doing a recipe video. I'm doing a chocolate sponge cake. Here I have the ingredients and measurements for the cake. Everything is at room temperature. I start off by separating my eggs. I have my egg yolks separated from my whites. I add salt to my egg whites. And I'm just going to whisk this up until it starts to foam up. And I'm going to add half of my granulated sugar. And the other half I'll save for my egg yolks. I'm mixing this until it becomes a nice medium peak. And this is what I'm looking for. Now I can start on my other ingredients. I'm adding the rest of my sugar. I'm whisking that up. And then I'm going to whisk in my cake flour and my cocoa powder together. I'm just going to add a little bit to start off. And then I'm just going to mix it. Once I have it mixed well, I'm going to add my wet ingredients, which is my oil, milk, and vanilla. And then I'm adding the rest of my dry ingredients. I'm just going to stir this in until it is nice and combined. Now I will be adding my meringue into my mixture. I'm doing this into 3 separate intervals. And I'm just folding it in. Adding the last of my egg whites. My oven is already preheated at 325 degrees. So I got an 8x4 cake pan greased and lined on the bottom. It's going into the oven for about 45 to 55 minutes or until toothpick inserted clean. And you just want to make sure you tap all the bubbles out. Or if you're using a smaller cake pan, you can cut that time in half. And this is what my cake looks like fresh out of the oven. Now I'm just going to flip the cake upside down and just let it cool completely. Okay, so my cake's been resting for a few hours now. It's completely cooled down. Now I'm just going to release my cake with my spatula. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and cut some layers into this cake. So you can see it is nice and soft. And here are my cake layers, hopefully you guys liked my tutorial on this cake recipe. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.